Welcome back to a course on Adobe Premiere Pro for beginners. Now, in this lesson, we're going to look at how to import video files or audio files into Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, there are several ways that you can do it, and the first one is you come up to File and scroll all the way down to Import. Now, from over here, it will open up where you have your file explorer. Go to where you've saved your videos, and here we have it. So you just select it, click open, and it will import the file for you. There we go. Now, another way you can import the file is by just coming over here. So I'll just press Ctrl Z to undo that. You can come over here directly and just double click. Now, with this open, it will take you directly to where you have your video files, and you can select from the one that you want to work with and click open. So again, it's importing the file, and there you go. You can see it's been brought over here. Now Ctrl Z. We have a third way of importing media into Adobe Premiere Pro, and that is by coming over to Media Browser. So in Media Browser, with this tab selected, what you'll do is, so I'll scroll to where I have it down. So I have the videos in the desktop, so I'll just double click on that, go to where the file is, double click, and here we have, I can use this slider to select, scroll through and see the videos that I have, and from here I can choose a video and right click, click import. Now the video will be imported, and here we go. So that's basically how you can import video files or audio files into Adobe Premiere Pro. And the last way, which is the most simplest way, is by going to your file explorer to where the project is, and then you just click, drag and drop. And as you can see, now we have two projects in our project panel. So what I'll do is I'm going to resize this so we can take a deeper look at the project panel next.